Under extreme heat and powerful pressure, solid aluminum is transformed into precise, high-strength sheets. This is the foundation of every aircraft skin, automotive panel, and industrial component you see today. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how aluminum ingots are turned into hot-rolled products, from preheating and rough rolling to finishing, coiling, and inspection. The process begins in the casting shop, where pure aluminum or alloyed metal is cast into large solid ingots. Before rolling, each ingot is saw-cut and milled to remove surface oxide and defects, ensuring a flat, clean surface for uniform deformation. Next, the aluminum ingots are heated inside a homogenizing furnace to 450–550 degrees Celsius, depending on the alloy type. This step softens the metal, removes casting stress, and homogenizes the grain structure for better plasticity during rolling. The heated ingot enters the rough rolling mill. Powerful rollers repeatedly compress it, reducing thickness from hundreds of millimeters to around 20 to 30 millimeters. The ingot is turned and rolled in both directions to ensure even thickness and internal density. After rough rolling, the slab enters the finishing mill for precision rolling. The thickness is further reduced to 3 to 8 millimeters. Pressure, speed, and temperature are digitally controlled to achieve smooth surfaces and consistent mechanical strength. Once target thickness is achieved, the aluminum strip passes through a high-pressure water cooling zone, stabilizing the structure and preventing oxidation. Then it is either coiled into hot-rolled coils or cut into plates for further processing. Every coil and plate undergoes thickness, surface, and hardness inspection using laser and ultrasonic devices. Qualified products are labeled and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ready for further fabrication or export. From a solid aluminum ingot to a high-precision hot-rolled sheet, every stage of this process reflects precision, power, and innovation. At Calco Aluminum, we deliver factory direct hot-rolled coils and plates that meet ISO, ASTM standards for global industries. Contact us today for specifications, samples, and quotations.